In March, I generated a 13.93% profit, which passed me phase 2 of my 200k Blue Guardian challenge. I made a video about this, you can watch it here. Now, immediately after I got this funded account, I made an 11.72% profit, which was around the first week of April, I believe. Now, risking 0.5% on this new 200k Blue Guardian account, this produced a $7,156 payout within 1 week of receiving the account. Now in this video, I'm going to be giving you an overview of the payout process and a brief analysis of the trades that earned me this payout. I was hoping to do a dashboard analysis in this video, but unfortunately, since the 1st of June, when Blue Guardian moved away from MetaTrader, they migrated all of their accounts. I don't actually have access to any of my accounts before this date. So I'm just going to show you the payout process because I think that's what a lot of people are really interested in. So let's say one of your Blue Guardian accounts is in profit and you reached your payout date. Then you can go to the profit share tab and you can choose how much you want to withdraw. And then you can click on request payout over here. So pretty much straight away, within 1 business day of requesting my payout, I received this email asking me to join Blue Guardian's team on Rise. And I think once you accept this invite, you'll then get your professional service agreement. And a few days after signing this PSA form, you'll receive your payout in Rise. So I'm in Rise now, and you'll see in my past invoices on April 10th, so this was 4 days after I received the PSA form, I received the payout in my account for $7,156, and you can see the invoice right here with all of this information. So once you've got this payout, it will show in your total received right here, and you can go up to withdraw, and you can choose your withdrawal method. Heads up that if your bank account is with Revolut, you can't withdraw via bank transfer to a Revolut business account. So your best option is to withdraw through USDC, probably through a Kraken business account, and then you can convert that into pounds, dollars, euros, and withdraw that into your Revolut business account. So that's what I ended up doing. I just withdrew through Kraken, and I got the money in my account, I think the same day. So I'll just give you a quick overview of the 3 trades that actually earn me this payout now. So I'm on AU, the 1 hour time frame, and this is April of 2024. And I took 2 trades, one which made a 3% profit, and another which made a 4.14% profit, and the third trade which was on AJ where I made a 5.58% profit. And these together, with 0.5% risk, is what made the $7,156 payout on the Blue Guardian account. So the first trade was a liquidity sweep entry. We had this big push up following this V shape. We had a nice flat range and we broke into this lower liquidity area, but we didn't immediately see a shift in momentum, which is quite important for liquidity sweep entries, because following this impulse down, at this point, I was still looking for bearish entries. So I really needed to see quite a clear shift, which is why I waited until the 3rd up close candle to actually take my buy execution. And you can see I entered on the close of this candle right here, this 3rd candle. And price actually continued trending up from this point, so it would have been good if I used my trailing stop loss. And then this flag formed from a big impulse up. Prior price action is range bound, so there's not really much of a confluence there. And there's nothing wrong with this flag. I mean, we got these favorable wicks, it's a really tight formation. We've got an engulfing entry candle. I'm sure on a lower time frame, it would be looking something like this, which is quite high probability, as you can imagine. And I just trailed my stops below these lows right here, like this. And then I got taken out for 4.14%. And the AJ flag, which is very similar, as you can see, formed around the exact same time. And I don't really have any additional comments on this trade. Again, range-bound price action. The formation is quite similar, although we don't have an engulfing candle. And I just trailed my stop loss the same way, 5.58%, so really clean trades. So there you go, thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. I hope you've learned something about the Rise payout process. I'm sorry that we couldn't do a dashboard analysis. I'm going to be posting a similar video, maybe next week or the week after, where I'm going over the same trades, but for an FTMO payout. So if you want to know what the FTMO payout process looks like, you can watch that, and I can promise you in that video we're going to be doing a dashboard analysis so you can see the trades, the stats, all the interesting stuff. So there you go. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Comment with this emoji to show me that you made it to the end, and I'm going to be trying to upload more frequently, maybe every 1 to 2 weeks. So stick around, make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great week.